sent you here? Who sent you? No. Who sent you?
She brought home a surprise puppy and her husband had absolutely no idea. Just wait until you see his reaction when he opens this car door.
Yeah, what's your back? Are you serious about holding another dog? Where you come from?
I thought Daisy needed a friend.
Who is you? Where you come from? We got somebody that's gonna break in. Who sent you here? Who sent you? No. Who sent you?